Just like a direct variation equation written from a situation, a direct variation equation written from a table can be used to answer questions. Let's look at this example table that relates weeks X and money saved Y. This table tells you how much money a person has given a particular number of weeks. When we're calculating the unit rate from this table, that ratio Y divided by X, we need to ignore this first row. Just like a graph goes through the origin, a table will or could include the row 0, 0. However, we don't calculate the ratio Y divided by X for this row. That would be 0 divided by 0. And as Alexa may have told you, the world explodes when you try to divide by 0. That is undefined, and we cannot divide by 0. Therefore, we just skip that row. That row should be there, but we don't calculate the ratio for that row. Instead, we calculate the ratio for 16 divided by 2. Y divided by X, 16 divided by 2 is 8. 32 divided by 4 is 8. And we calculate that ratio for every other row. 56 divided by 7 is 8. Our unit rate is constant. That ratio is constant. M equals 8, so our equation is Y equals 8X, where X is weeks and Y is money saved. Here is our question. When will Riley have $112 saved? Now, is this an example where we're given X or an example where we're given Y? Let's look. The information we're given is $112. $112, is that X, weeks, or Y, money saved? I hope you know that you're being given Y, money saved. We're given the fact that Y equals 112. So here is the work. We are going to plug 112 in for Y, and now we have a one-step equation. 112 equals 8X. One single inverse operation here is to divide both sides of the equation by 8. 112 divided by 8. Let's see if I can do that in my head. That is going to be, divided by 8 is 132. Okay, so that's going to be 14. 112 divided by 8 gives me 14. So my value of X is 14. All that's left is to answer the question. When will Riley have $112 saved? The answer to that question is after 14 weeks, Riley will have $112 saved.